Hi everyone, welcome to questions on successive ionization energies. First question we have is to write the equation for the 7th ionization energy of sodium, include state symbols. Now normally it's just asked to write the first one. It isn't quite common, but in theory they could ask you whatever ionization energy they like for that particular element. So for this we need to make sure that we have them in the gaseous state, and that would be from Na6 plus going to Na7 plus with that electron there as well. Make sure we've got those gaseous state symbols there as well. Next part of the question is, why do successive ionization energies increase with ionization number? Well, what's going on there is our radius is decreasing. If we keep taking off these electrons, eventually we're going to be moving to different shells. So further shells that are further away to shells that are a bit nearer, close to the nucleus, greater attraction, therefore harder to remove. Third part, we have explain how the successive ionization energies provide evidence for the electron shells in sodium atoms. Well, for anything we're looking at to do with successive ionization energies, we're looking for those big jumps because that signifies a new shell. So anything that's got a big increase or a big difference, that's a new energy level or a new shell. And looking at this here, we can see there's a big one between the first and the second. That's quite a big jump of nearly 4,000. And then we also look between the 9th and the 10th. Really big jump between those shells there. So 2 marks mentioning that you're looking for that big increase, and then saying for the first and the second, and then the 9th and the 10th. And then our final question here, again, ionization energies for magnesium and aluminium. We need to use them to explain how it gives us a bit of detail about electron structure. Well, then you've got to know about your electronic configuration for magnesium and for aluminium and bring that into this question. Now, if we're starting with magnesium, that would have its outer electrons in the 3s subshell, whereas aluminium will be in the 3p. But the 3p subshell is in higher energy than the 3s, so that bit further away from the nucleus, so therefore it's that little bit easier to remove that electron in aluminium than it is to magnesium. So that's why the magnesium ionization energy is greater than that of aluminium. Okay, and that will do us for today on questions on successive ionization energies. See you next time.